Oh, that actually reminded me. Spoiler is coming in after when I graduate. I'm buying that right away, and I'm buying the mirror caps, and we're gonna... Yo, welcome back, YouTube. As you know, it is The Only Carter back with another video, and we back feeling great. I'm back with a Toyota Camry 2025, back with the Camry, black on black, everything. For today, we got a little POV, a little chill POV. I don't know, probably gonna be in the city. It's 2:15 right now. We in Richmond, Virginia, on top of a, I don't even know, but we feeling it. We're gonna get you guys this content right here. I'm with my man's over there. He got a BMW right now, and then we got the Toyota Camry. So we just about to chill. You know, I haven't posted in a while, but my last video, we did pretty good on numbers. And, you know, I'm ready to get back into at least 3 videos. But, you know, I got a couple more days till, you know, I'm a graduate. So we just about to just live in. And I'm just happy, you know what I'm saying? But I am a little busy. So let me show y'all. I did a touchless car wash today, but I still got some dry spots. Video, or we're just about to cruise around the city. You know what I'm saying? Because it's a nice day. I'm probably get myself food and then probably just drive around. I'm gonna probably get at least some good content. I don't know, hopefully people want to join. If not, we just about to pop out and just have a good time, you know? We were in a Billionaire Boys Club. I'm on top of the world, you know what I'm saying? I'm on top of the world. I got Tokyo, Virginia, New York, Los Angeles right here, and you know, Billionaire Boys Club. And then, you know, I got the Murakami skateboard, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if y'all know, but Takashi Murakami is the best of the best, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so we just about to hop in this video. Hopefully you guys do enjoy. Make sure you guys subscribe, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Yo, hopefully the camera quality good. Hopefully, you know, y'all are able to see the view, and we about to start this video. It's been a little while since I got a video out, but we up and ready. Got some good content for y'all. Ooh. I've been rocking on the sport mode. I've been rocking on that sport mode for a bit. It's low-key chill. Hey, I'm really excited for when the Toyota drops the TRDs for the 25 and the 26 Camrys. I'm not for sure if they dropped them yet or not, but let me know if you guys know by chance. But yeah, it's gonna be a good video. Hopefully you guys do enjoy this video. Make sure you guys do subscribe. We're on the way to 1900, about to hit 2000. It's been a little while. I know I've been saying it in almost all my videos that we're about to hit 2K subscribers. But we are almost there, fellas. We are almost there. I have to get an oil and tire rotation done and a maintenance soon. Like real soon. But yeah, your boy has been offline for a bit. It's all good. It's all goody. Just for that. That's OC. Oh. Let's get it. Hey, one thing I love about my Toyota Camry is that it's a nice sedan. It's a nice car. Most people like Camrys. The fuel efficiency, cool. I'm averaging, what, 49 mpgs. Oh, that's a nice Rolls Royce. But yeah, like 49 to like 51 mpgs, so that's pretty good. The car drives sweet. It's cool. In sport mode, it feels like my car is an extra like 15 horsepower, and the steering wheel is nice and tight. Grippy, you know what I'm saying? Wallahi. Wallahi. But hey, I just wanted to say thanks for the love. And I'm just excited to grow. Where that's coming from. I'm saying. I low-key want to go to some abandoned spots, like urban exploring, if you know what I mean. Yo, a Japan POV would go crazy. Oh, that would go OC. The handling on sport mode is actually like very impressive for a Toyota Camry. Y'all should actually whip sport mode. It's actually pretty cool. It's like really fun. Most people I know use eco to save gas. I understand. A lot of people on the road today, I ain't gonna lie. Oh, wicked, wicked. Another Camry driver, boys. Bro, I don't know how to shift. Like, I don't know how to do the manual. I gotta learn how to do that, because shifting gears seems so much fun. It looks awesome, but I just don't know how to do it. Woo! That guy's weird. It's always NPCs. I promise you, it's always NPCs driving on the road. Like, if you see me coming up, why do you just... Bro, I don't understand. I can't even put it to words. I be seeing too many drivers who just do not know how to drive. Like, just no sense, no patience whatsoever. No patience. Sometimes I feel like these are CPUs, like actually CPUs. Like, they're just not real people. The government just spawns these people in and they just drive. Just drive aimlessly. It's sad. She gonna let me in. She know what to do this. Let's crank it up. Oh, where he at? Where he at? Where he at? Where he at? Camaro, come on. One of my boys that I know that he just traded in his Honda Accord. He just went back to Toyota. He got the same car as me, black on black, Camry SE, all-wheel drive, black rims, everything black. That inspires me because, like, you know, I'm the one to tell people, or, you know, about the car, the specs, you know, the quality, interior, exterior, how the car drives, you know. People like that, and people purchase that, or people would like to cop it. It's actually a great car. I mean, it's not the fastest car, it's just an economy car, but... You know, I know most people enjoy Toyotas. I think I just seen a GTR. Yeah, that was a GTR. Oh. La 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 la. We back in business. Yo, my GoPro almost died. I had to turn it back on and turn it off. I'm gonna put that on, and we finally got the modification. I'm gonna give y'all that modification video. I know y'all, you're like, oh, where is it at? Where is it at? When is he gonna get it? I'm gonna get it soon, y'all. I think I just should get it outside when I'm done with school, when I graduate in 46 days, y'all. Mark that calendar, because It's about to be up from here. It's about to be up from here. Oh, come on, slime. What we doing? Okay. My bad. It's about to be up from here. I'm thinking next car, dream car, Viper ACR. We gonna grab that one day. We gonna get that one day. The next car, I'm thinking either, do we come Scat or do we come M3, M4? Maybe, I don't know. But we gonna figure it out. That's how we living. Woo! I need to get a retwist on, I ain't gonna lie. Hey, I'm gonna see what's up at the mall. Is it worth? Is it worth to go in here and bring the little GoPro? But this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna check on how much battery percentage we have left. If we have over 50, I'm gonna give y'all another video, and then I'm gonna get 2 videos out this week, and then we just gonna be chilling. You know what I'm saying? Probably get another video after that, so I have 3 videos this week, and then we just gonna pop out, do the same thing next week, same thing next week. But today was supposed to be the day where I was gonna have like, well, the only person who was up to do it was my man's Ty. He has another BMW, but I don't know which one he has. And then my man's right here, he was gonna like get like 3 other people. I hit up someone who has a Toyota Camry as well. It's tuned, but he never answered. Flop, you know, fake people, you know, gotta deal with. But it's cool. I mean, could have got some good content. We all could have came up, you know, would have went crazy with the videos, like a little highway takeover, but it's cool. I'll rock out with Cuttin BMW. Let's see what we work at. 47%.
That was a banger, fool.
Yeah, I know.
But, I don't even know if my camera was good. I never checked.
Not me either.